Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to grade 10th. I hope you are all fine at your homes. Now we are going to start the biology of grade 10th. We have studied 9 chapters of biology in grade 9th. Now we will start from chapter number 10. The name of this chapter is gaseous exchange. The major objectives of this chapter are how gaseous exchange occur in plants, how gaseous exchange occur in humans, and at the end of this chapter we will discuss various disorders related to the respiratory system. Now in our first lecture we will first go through about the definition of gaseous exchange. Basically, gaseous exchange shows the relationship between organism and its environment. It is the exchange of gases between the body of organisms with their environment. General definition of gaseous exchange is that taking in oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide is termed as gaseous exchange. Basically, there are two types of gaseous exchange. One is cellular respiration and the other one is breathing. Cellular respiration is basically takes place on cellular level. For example, our body is multicellular. Okay, आपको हमने 9th में भी ये डिस्कस किया था that the body of animals and humans are composed of multiple cells. There are a number of cells in our body, so that the exchange that takes place on cellular level on each cell is called cellular respiration. And breathing is basically the taking in air and giving out of carbon dioxide. Breathing is take place on organismic level. जो एक इंडिविजुअल लेवल में प्रोसेस आता है उसको हम ब्रीथिंग कहते हैं, बट जो सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन का प्रोसेस है वो बेसिकली होता है सेलुलर लेवल पे. अब बेटे, अब जो फूड हम इनटेक करते हैं वो बेसिकली ऑर्गेनिक फूड होती है. एंड यू नो डैट ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स आर मेड अप ऑफ कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स. So that the energy which is released by the digestion of the food is converted into the ATP. And you know that ATP is the major energy currency of the cell. Recall from the chapter number 9 of grade 9th, in which ATP is abbreviated as adenosine triphosphate. So that the major energy of our body is stored in the form of ATP. Wherever the body needs energy, ATP breaks down and the energy is released. Basically, there are two types of respiration, aerobic respiration and the other one is anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen and anaerobic respiration takes place in the absence of oxygen. And in the process of cellular respiration, carbon dioxide and water are produced. So that basically cellular respiration is a process in which we will take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide from the environment. So that in this chapter, at the start of this chapter, you have to learn the definitions of cellular respiration, gaseous exchange and breathing. Organisms get the oxygen needed for cellular respiration from their environment and provide it to their cells. As a result of this, the carbon dioxide which is produced during the process of cellular respiration is taken out of the cells and ultimately from the body. Taking in oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide is termed as gaseous exchange. And basically the term breathing is used for the process through which an animal take air in their bodies to get oxygen from it and then give out the air for getting rid of carbon dioxide. So that in our first lecture you have to learn these three definitions which are in bold writing: cellular respiration, gaseous exchange and breathing.